Yo, what's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back. Welcome back to another YouTube stream like we never even left. How you guys doing? Great to have you guys back. 12 people in the building. Good to have you people here. Let me know if you guys can hear me all loud and clear. How's everyone's Christmas and New Year? Happy New Year to you all. What's going on, Steve, man? How's it going? Locklow and the boys. Everyone's here. Like we never even left. Alright, let me just get Zoom going. Happy New Year to you too, Brian. Can hear you all the way from Phuket. Very, very nice run. Good shit, man. Good shit. Alright, let me get Zoom going on. Good to have you boys back in the building. We're going to be doing lots of lots of YouTube lives this year, which I'm pretty excited for. And I'll run, if we don't take any trades today, hopefully you will. The markets are looking pretty good. But I'll run you guys over the position I took this morning in the Asian session, and run you guys over the positions that I've taken everything so far this year. Let me just invite a community. But how's everyone found the market so far? Has everyone had a good start to the year, quiet start to the year? Is this your first week back? I personally was briefly watching the markets end of last week. I took 2 trades last week and I've only taken 3 so far this week. But it's looking to be a good fucking year. A very good fucking year. Let me plug my laptop in. And I've also just taken a gold trade this morning. I say this morning, literally 15 minutes ago, not even that. Gold shorts have just been stopped at break even, which I'll share with you guys as well. Once we get a few more people in. He hit the same gold trade. Yeah, good shit, man. Good shit. Amazing. Closed out gold this morning in the Asian session. I very rarely ever trade the Asian session, but I was here and I was seeing some movement on gold and an alert went off. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just going to take it. I ended up closing it at 1 to 3.3. Came down to 1 to 5, but it didn't hit my full TP. So I was trailing a stop pretty aggressively. So I got taken out of that one. A very, very nice trade, which I'll share with you guys in a second as well. But we've got 16 people in here, guys. Guys, remember, drop a little like and we'll get going. Asian session gold trade. Yeah, good man. Very, very nice one. It's a very, very nice trade. Asian session had some lovely momentum. Took out some lovely highs and then had a really, really big push down. Like I say, I rarely even trade the Asian session, just because I don't like to watch, Asian, London and New York, because I'll just be burnt out. But yeah, it was a lovely, lovely play. The position was there. We broke the levels. We had the liquidity grabs. The entry confirmations were there. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take it, and it turned out to be an absolute banger of a position. Dang, what's going on, brother? Good to have you here again, man. Happy New Year to you too. Happy New Year to all you guys from Nigeria. Nice to meet you, man. Good to have you guys here. Good to have you guys here. Right, let me let community people in. And then we'll get cracking. Let me turn this music off. Right, let's see. Let's see. YouTube fam, let me know if you can hear my, see my screen. All good. Let me know if you can see it. Halad's here. Halad's in the building. I can't hear you though. Alan's ignoring us today, I think. No, I still can't hear you. I can see you talking, but I cannot hear you. Cool. YouTube fam, yeah, you can see it. Nice. Alright, I'll quickly break down this quick. If you keep talking loud, I'll let you know when I can hear you. YouTube fam, I'll quickly break down this trade that I just took just now. So break even on this one is a very aggressive break even because gold is very, very strong at the minute. So taking sells was very, very risky. But the 15-minute was showing a lovely, lovely solid pushback down. Strong 15-minute again. So got on the break of this low. Once we create this top wick, stops above the highs, looking for this to come down and take some lows here and potentially even come and take down some lows here. But what I also noticed was as gold is bullish, I am understanding the first level of barrier and the first level where the trade could go against me. And this was right here. So it was pretty much the second that it ran into, I think it was just about a 1-to-1. Yeah, ran into like 15 pips, and I was like, fuck, I'm going to go break even, because it could easily just react off this high, react off this level, and just go high. And that's exactly what we did. So stops to break even on there. So very quick trade in, out, break even. We'll take it. And then I'll show you guys the Asian session trade here as well. So this is the trade I took in Asian session, which was at 1:20 London time. So what we had is we had this resistance, price liquidated this high here and had a solid push back down. And then all I was pretty much doing was the exact same thing, was once price was breaking this level, came back up that little retest, then I got in on the break of this low here, stops above this high, looking for this to come down and grab the double bottom down there. But because we were pushing down so well, you know, I was like, fuck it, I'm going to trail my stop loss pretty aggressive, lock in a 1 to 3, and then my full TP was going to be just down here if we could come and liquidate these lows. But we actually, surprisingly, created a double bottom and then ripped higher, which means I think we're probably going to come and take that out some point soon. So yeah, that was the quick London one, pre-London, Asian one. 1 to 3, break even so far for the day. What other ones have we taken this week? We took some, where's my other trades? Where are they? They're on the screen? I got too many fucking screens open. As a retail traps on gold right there. They're not my actual trades, it's just demonstrating how trend lines do not work in gold for the community. Where have I got my other positions? Is that this one? Yeah, that's that one. Let's hide that one. I can leave that one. Where's this one then? 5 minute. Trying to find last week's trades. No, don't know. Fuck knows. I cannot hear you, Alad, if you are talking. Let's get the daily here, 4 hourly there, 15 minute here. It says your mic's lit up, Alad, but I can't actually hear you. But look at gold. Gold, I still think it's going to come and grab these lows down here. I think overall, gold's going to come down and on the daily, come and grab some lows all the way down here. Daily time frame on gold right now. Let's make this chart bigger. We're taking out massive highs right now. Wicking out these highs, and I was waiting for price to come and take out this daily high yesterday before I could short. We didn't do it yesterday. Now we've done it this morning, and I think gold could have a pretty deep pullback. Maybe even come back down, retest some levels down here. Who knows? If we push down aggressively, they may come grab some lows all the way back down here. But yeah, we're in a very big level on the daily right now. 4 hourly, however, is strong, but also in a range. Like, this is the first breakout of this range. Whether we think it's a false move or not, I do think it's a false move, but we have to wait for price to tell us it's the false move. So we'll see how that one goes. Market's been a bit slow. Yeah, very slow, man. Especially so far this week. So far this week's been very slow. But you know what? It's only the first real trading day of first trading week of the entire year. So we got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Where have I lost Zoom? Where's Zoom gone? That's joining. But yeah, it has been slow. Very slow. Look at gold. Gold right now is in one big massive range. And I actually thought with the fundamentals yesterday we were going to get a pretty solid breakout, but we actually didn't really do anything at all. So yesterday I traded NASDAQ in the London session. I'll show you guys the trade that I took in London. I took this on the live call right here. Came down to like a 1 to 4 almost. But closed at break even before that because the price action was just dead and there was literally no volume whatsoever. So I closed break even around here before it then came down. But the volume was that low that I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take risk off the table. If it goes in my favor, it goes in my favor. It doesn't, it doesn't. And then it just ended up being incredibly choppy. So that was the only other trade that I've taken this week. And then we came down to exactly where I expected, where I was looking to. That trade right there would have been a 1 to 10. We were coming down to grab these lows before ripping higher, and that's exactly what we did once that news came out. No, sorry, this is right before the New York Open, came down, liquidate these lows, solid push back up. I assume this is the fundamentals, one big fat doji, so it didn't actually really do anything. Let me see. Why's my camera just gone tiny? What the fuck? Oh, okay, that's weird. Tony's joining. But yeah, I agree. Slow start to the week, slow grind. We had a banger drawn out on GJ yesterday as well, but because I was too busy trying to trade the NASDAQ, I actually missed it, which was somewhat annoying, but is what it is. You can't catch them all. Where was the GJ trade that we had? Where was the GJ one? Let me see. We had a lovely GJ play. Have I deleted now? I feel like I've deleted it. It's after 5 minutes. It was yesterday. Yeah, I've deleted it. Okay. But yeah, even GJ is in a growth range right now. I'm waiting for GJ to properly come and grab this double top before I'm looking for shorts. I still can't hear you, Alad. Either that, or you just don't want to talk to me. You're pretending your mic's not working because you just don't want to talk to me. I see how it is. I've given up. It must be something to do with your new headset, man. There must be some sort of Zoom settings. Yeah, it'll be something to do with the new headset. Does the headset you have two like headphone jacks outputs, or just one? Because if it's for like gaming, it could possibly have two. It was working fine yesterday. Oh, did we? Oh, were you on it? Yes. I didn't think you were using it yesterday. Were you using it yesterday? I didn't know you were using it yesterday. Before you jumped on. Oh, weird. Let me go. Where was it? Let me get some tunes going. You need to go into settings. Yeah, you need to go into settings of Zoom and select the new input device for audio. That's what Ash said. It must be just you. I'm getting the blame now. What the hell? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to go into mic and you got to select audio settings, and then you should be able to find it in there. Let me share my screen with you. Let me share my screen. Look here. Yo, what's good, Kane? How's it going, man? Happy New Year to you too, brother. Good to have you here. How's it going, man? How's things? How you found the markets? See, if you have this, Alad, you should have some. Like, it should show your headset mic here. But let's see. Let's see. I want to watch gold. Gold's reacting off that massive level of support. Look at that. Bouncing up the support. Very, very nice. Looking pretty strong. We may easily come and rip these highs back up here, which would be a 25 pip move, which is not bad. It's not bad. The risk reward has to make sense though. I mean, to come up there, like stops below there, you're talking less than 1-to-1, which personally for me isn't worth it. Silver looking like, I haven't had a look at silver in a long time, but I will take a look at silver in a second. Absolutely, I'll take a look at silver. I haven't looked at silver in ages, in a long time. Let's have a look. Have I got any previous analysis on silver? No, I don't. Okay. Weekly on silver is doji, but that's quite a nice doji because we're around a massive level. You can see a pretty big dip back down. How was the monthly? Previous month, December was pretty strong. So I expect this month on silver is probably going to be somewhat doji if we're going to have a pushback down. What were we looking at for? What were you looking for? Another long. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. We're very, very bullish. I feel like in terms of like a big swing perspective, yeah, I feel like silver could have some pretty deep pullbacks to go even higher. Maybe we'll come and grab some highs up here. It's got a nice level up there. Could easily see it come back down and retest some big levels back there. Come down to that 50%, maybe even come down 61. But the dailies throw a nice doji candle, so you could see some hedge some intraday positions down, and you could see some nice juicy swings back up. Let me go. Keep it clean. Let's keep it clean here. Daily, 4 hourly, intraday. Right. So we're going the daily. Yeah, daily look. Daily is a bit of a mess to me. However, look at this. Silver double top, grabbed the liquidity, strong push back down. Looking like we may come and grab this high and then have a juicy rollover. I haven't traded it loads. Look at that. Got a little double bottom there as well. Look at that. Oh, did that just about get taken? Oh yeah, it just got taken. But yeah, daily's in a bit of a range, to be honest. 4 hourly. Let's see how the 4 hourly is looking on. Yeah, 4 hourly is a bit messy to me. I personally would wait for like a strong breakout of, I don't know, maybe any like, depends what time frame you're kind of looking at. But for a swing trade, I think you should wait for a solid breakout. I've had a juicy 4 hour push back up. So if you come back down, retest some levels, you get a little intraday play back up to these highs before then push back down. Could be nice. Let me see gold because I don't want to miss a gold trade. 5 minute on gold. Am I on the right time frame? No. Okay. Gold. Nothing just yet on gold. Let's see. Gold could be nice for longs, but the risk to reward has to make sense. I mean, just to come up and run up to these highs, it's, you know, I mean, it depends how you want to trade. If you want to wait for the 15-minute push back up, like 16 pips, it's not really worth it for me. But we are, look, very, very simple. We're in one big, massive range. Come and grab the highs. If we can close back below, then I think gold's got the potential to come back down and take these lows down here. And that's the main play that I want to take. But, you know, we're not here to predict. We're here to react. If gold gives us a long, then we'll take the long. If gold gives us a short, then we'll go short. But in order for me to want to go short, I need a solid break. Let me show. Fuck, I fucked up my screen. Brian, I trade sometimes trade futures when I'm trading NASDAQ, and then I have my separate accounts for gold and FX. But if I'm trading NASDAQ, then futures are nicer. But if I'm trading gold and FX, what do you like trading mostly? At the minute, man, I'm enjoying NASDAQ and gold at the most. I transitioned more into NASDAQ at the end of last year, for like the last 6 months of the year. Before that, I was like purely just FX and gold and oil. But yeah, now I'm trading NASDAQ and gold a lot intraday, and I'm swinging all my other FX pairs, but I don't watch all of these on the intraday perspective because it's just too fucking messy. I watch these from more of a swing perspective, but for intraday, pretty much just gold and NASDAQ, and that's literally it. Sometimes GJ as well. I'll throw GJ in there if NASDAQ's not been doing much, which it hasn't been in the London session recently. So yeah, I mean, intraday, I'm trading like 1 to 2, max 3 pairs if the others aren't doing anything. But for me, gold and NASDAQ is pretty much all I need. But for this call, if we do take any intraday trades together, which hopefully we will, we took some bangers last year. We'll be taking gold, GJ, or NASDAQ. Do you use prop firms as part of your income? Yes, I've used prop firms many times. I've used FTMO and blue Forex funds, but let's not talk about blue Forex funds. And funding talent when they used to be a thing. Don't talk to Alad about funding talent. Alad doesn't like to talk about that touchy subject. Look at that. See, I just gave a big no-no. How's this 30 minutes starting to look? 30 minutes looking like it could flip. How's the hourly looking? Hourly's looking pretty nice. 5 minute. Let's see. Hourly's just closed bearish, aggressive pushback up, solid pushback down. If the 5 minute closes bullish, maybe we'll see a break. But as of right now. I kind of would want it to see it break that high. And then the first resistance is right there. So if we enter here, the second we start coming into these levels, we got to be break even in here, which is like 16 pips. It's not really worth it. But yeah, I use prop firms as part of my income. I had some pretty solid payouts on FTMO last year. Look at this now. 16 pips. I don't think it's fucking worth it, to be honest. I mean, the risk reward, you could maybe get like a, depending on this 5 make, maybe get like a 1 to 2, maybe. It's not bad, but at 16 pips, you factor in spreads as well. It's not going to be as good as it looks on picture. Do I see any value in the VWAP? Yeah, definitely. I personally don't use it, but I know a lot of stock traders and indices traders use it a lot. I personally don't use any indicators at all, but yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think the VWAP's probably one of the best ones that anyone should actually use if they're trading indices. I don't know, I wouldn't use it for FX, of course, but yeah, for stocks and stuff like that, I think it's pretty good. I've never personally used it, but yeah, it's better than moving averages in my opinion. Taking a trip to the US anytime soon? At the minute, man, no plans, but definitely I would love to. I came to San Francisco last year, which was pretty fucking sweet. I do love America. If I lived there, I would be incredibly fat because I literally, when I was there in San Francisco, I don't know, when was that? I don't know when that was. Middle of last year. I pretty much came there, traded, and just ate loads of fucking food. It was great. But yeah, I love America. Whereabouts in America are you at, man? America's great. I've only ever been to San Francisco and New York. America's huge. I'd love to go explore it more. US and Canada would be sweet. We're only allowed there for max, I think it's like 3 months a year, which is pretty small. I'm pretty sure visas for the US are very, very difficult. What's NASDAQ looking like this morning? Hey, NASDAQ's actually waking up this morning, which is nice. Let's see if NASDAQ can come retest some levels. And we could look for some juicy trades. Is it 6 months? Isn't it? Is it 6 months? I thought it was only 3 months. Maybe it's 6 months. Arizona, if you come to you guys, but if you come to the US, come to Vegas. If you like to eat, nice. Yeah, I'd love. Oh man, I'd love to go to Vegas at some point. Vegas would be sick. Vegas is like one of the go-to places where you gotta go. Vegas, yeah, Vegas is awesome. Canada, yeah, Canada's 6 months, but I'm pretty sure the US is only 3 months. I'm not from Australia, man. I'm from a little place called Jersey, just off the UK, a little island. But I'm living here in Australia now. I've been here for the past 5 months, I believe. But yeah, I have fortunately, like my family my mom and dad used to live in New Zealand, so they have full New Zealand citizenship. So it means I can come and live in Australia and New Zealand without needing any visas and shit like that. So I'm pretty lucky. And I've been trying to move to Australia since like before lockdowns in March. I came here twice last year. I came to Australia in very end of March, April. And then went to New Zealand, and then went back round to America, then Europe, and then I came all the way back around again. But now I'm actually here to stay for a good amount of time. Because it's good here. I like it here. The weather's good, people are good, lifestyle's good. What was there not to love? Yeah, I'm leaving for Canada in about 30 minutes. Oh shit, no way, that's sick. Nice, Brian. Send me some pictures on Instagram, man. I'd love to see that. That's pretty sick. Whereabouts in Canada are you going to, Brian? Canada's the one place where I've never been, which I would like to go to. I tried to apply for a visa there. I tried to apply for a visa. I did apply for a visa there, but I didn't. I didn't get in. For whatever reason. Gold buy or sell. I was looking at the longs on gold like this, but the risk to reward and the tiny range for me just isn't worth it. But I reckon gold's probably going to come and take these highs, and then once it does, we could see a pushback down. See, if I was in this right now, I'd have to be at break even because we're coming right into a barrier right here. But I'm leaving the risk to reward on just to see how it would have played, but I'm not actually in this. Stop loss would be below this 5 minute. But yeah, the pip range is too small for me. Ala, do you mean my music? I am playing some British Columbia. Nice. Nice, Brian. Have a good time, man. That'd be sick. See, look at this. Gold pushing back down right now. Probably going to come in what would have stopped us at break even because we come instantly into a level of resistance. What's that? Yeah, spreads. There you go. Would have been out of this at break even. I kind of need a big solid breakout on gold for me to want to trade this. Like I say, the range isn't worth it just yet. Every time I update this laptop, something goes wrong. Yeah, Alan, you gotta treat yourself to a nice juicy Mac this year. Now, to be fair, YouTube fam, you may know a better idea of laptops than me. Macs aren't even actually good for trading. If anyone on YouTube knows any good laptops for trading and just basic general stuff, then let me know. Alad's having problems. Which one do you have now, Alad? Did you have is it an Asus, did you say? But you can get, I've seen traders use like a thing, what's it called? I've seen traders use one before called, what's it called? And it's supposed to be really good. ThinkPad, is it a ThinkPad I'm thinking of? ThinkPads are supposed to be good. I don't know if I'm just making that up or not, but I don't think I am. But I'm pretty sure ThinkPads are supposed to be good. Lenovo ThinkPad. Fucking hell, it's 8 bags. Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe not. Alienware. Alienware, maybe Alad, one to look at. Recommended by Brian. And yeah, I'll be looking for NASDAQ sells. Once we come up and retest these levels. Let's have a watch on GJ as well. So that would have been stopped out right there. GJ. Fucking I can't type, man. Yeah, GJ. As soon as GJ comes and grabs this liquidity up here, look at this double top right now. GJ could have a big drive down. A nice 100 pip push on GJ. Double top setting up above here. I'll be watching this high as well. We don't have to grab this high, but we very may well could. But as soon as we take these highs, I'll be looking for nice sells on GJ. Or if we come and grab some of the lows first, then we could look at longs. Until we do that, we got to wait for one or the other. Till we. And this is what you want to do, YouTube fam. Whenever you're at home trading and you got shit to do, this is what you want to do. You set alert above the range, set alert below the range, and then once we break out, you whip up the laptop, boom, get going, so you don't ever miss a trade. I have alerts set all the time, which is the reason I was able to catch this gold Asian sell, because I had alerts set. So I don't watch the Asian session, but I had some alerts set. Once prices come and grabbed this high, I then flipped up the charts, was watching it push back lower, and then took the trade. Same as here right now. I kind of want gold to, I don't know, break out of this range, give us some sort of direction. What's going on, Ryan? How's it going, man? In GJ longs, nice. Where are you long from, Ryan? It's very, very nice position. I think GJ is going to come and grab some serious highs. 2 break-evens for me this morning, both on gold. Yeah, good shout, Alad. Break-evens on gold this morning, considering the range we're in, are very, very nice. GJ, I reckon, is easily going to come up and grab here. Could even come up even higher. Around 160. Very, very nice. Let me see. 160. Oh, you got a big swing going there. Nice. Nice. Where's 160 down here? Look at that. Lovely support there. Look at that. 100 pips. Beautiful. Lovely position. Yeah, 4 hour. Nice. Yeah, very, very nice. Look at that. So simple. So simple. Look at that. Breaks level, come back down, retest. You go long. Boom. Targeting these highs up here. Could come even higher. How was that monthly close on in December, actually? Oh, wow. Solid. Fat candle. This is what I've been saying for a while. That I think... where's my high time frame chart? I think GJ is coming to grab these lows down here. This is a huge level right here. There's like multiple... Look at this. Even it's a triple bottom. You take it all the way from here. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Solid close in the monthly. GJ come back up and retest some highs, maybe come back up and retest here, and you could see a big fat swing trade on GJ, which would be very, very nice. See what I've got on. I need to fucking clean my charts. Exactly. Don't think it runs. Wait, is he trying? Yeah, I like it, man. I like it as well. Would have been taking a stop loss. Good shit, Alad. And have the same level as you and GJ. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. That's what we like. Yeah, longs are very nice. A very good play. Look at this. Completely unnecessary buy. Bought the iPhone 14 today. Pro Max. For absolutely no reason. It's pretty fun. Well, I don't have two fucking phones going off. One phone for one demo account, and then another phone for another demo account. The more demo accounts you have, the better you can look on Instagram. That's the reason I buy new phones. But I mean, for intraday longs on GJ, I'll be looking at intraday longs on GJ if we can come and grab some lows before then grabbing some highs. But if we grab these highs first, then I'll also be wanting to look for intraday sells. So kind of whichever we do first, whether we take the highs or lows, that's what we kind of want to be going. Look at that, gold going back down lower. And this is the reason we didn't take the long trade on gold, because it's coming. If we go long here, this is the first barrier. So you go long here, the first barrier is 8 pips. And you factor in spreads as well, you're basically just about creeping out of drawdown. Saeed's laughing at my demo accounts. But yeah, gold on a breakout. Let's check the news today. I don't think we have anything significant. No, nothing at all. I believe we got, is it news tomorrow? Yeah, US CPI tomorrow. Oh, it's going to be huge. Big day tomorrow. CPI, get the buy stops and sell stops going on gold. Rip some positions for sure. But yeah, YouTube fam, it's only the first stream back. We don't have to go too crazy. We had a fantastic start to streams last year. I only started streaming in November. And November through December, we took some fucking fantastic positions live in this London session. So I don't doubt we'll take some bangers this year as well. And I'll try and track them all and keep an update of them all. But I'm not going to force anything too soon. Look at that. What was that hourly? Hourly starts our Wix 30-minute. 30 minutes not bad. It's not bad. I mean, like, all of that's just one big level of support pretty much. Let's have a look at US oil on this chart. Fuck on chart. Happy New Year to you too, Paul. Good to have you back on the stream, man. Good to have you back. Oh, one trade I'm actually looking at, guys, is USD CAD for a swing position, which I've been waiting to take since Monday. Do I have it on this chart? Let me see. Yeah, it's got on this one. Okay. So I'm looking for longs on USD CAD, but it's an aggressive reversal trade, and I haven't taken it just yet. But I was looking for longs around this region, but there was nothing to give me any direction to go long yet. And then we had a strong pushback down and breakout yesterday. But personally, for me, I have this alert set on USD CAD at this double bottom right there. I personally need to see that taken before I can go long. I'd like to see a spike back down, grab these lows, and then I'll be looking for a big swing long. But the daily time frame is giving me no indication to want to go long just yet. So I need to wait for a little bit more. But I do think USD CAD's got the potential to have a pretty solid pullback. And if we can get that with a nice risk to reward, where it makes sense, then it's definitely worth taking. But I was looking at it down here, and it just gave me, look at this 4 hour, just rejecting. If I was to go long here, I'm purely predicting. I'm purely predicting and thinking that it's going to go up. What's price doing? Price is trading below a level of resistance. Regardless of if you think it's going to go up, if you think it's going to go up or down, what is price showing you? Price is showing you that it's respecting a level of resistance. So for me to go long here is just dumb, in my opinion. Even though it played out, it doesn't mean that it would have been a good call even if I had taken it. Taking money from the markets and you went against your plan isn't always a good thing. It's never a good thing, actually. But now we're trading above this resistance. Okay, cool, sweet. Now I can look for longs. So I'm pretty much looking for any spikes down to want to get involved. But only until that pushback up is it giving me any indication I want to go long. Which other one? I was looking at GU shorts as well. Well, actually, let me just show you. Let me show you DXY. What I've been looking at here in DXY. So, yeah, DXY has been in a big fat range for the entire month of December, pretty much since here. DXY has just been a massive range. We had this low down here. We created this little double bottom. Had this initial reaction. Everyone's probably trying to long the US dollar back down here. Long it again. Liquidated these highs here. Spiked down. Taking out all of the liquidity from these lows here. And all I kind of want to see from the DXY in order for me to want to go short on GU, EU, and long on USD CAD is to come and run the daily lows one more time and kind of tap into this level of support right here. As soon as we do that, then I think it's time for the US dollar to have a pretty steep pullback and come and retest some big levels, come and grab some highs up here. But only once we come and grab this daily low, which will probably be off CPI tomorrow, I don't doubt, then I'll be looking for a nice juicy pullback on the US dollar. So yeah, that's the thoughts on DXY, which is the reason that I'm looking at GU for shorts. Now I'm looking for GU on shorts. Where's my analysis gone? Have I lost it again? Yes, I have. Okay, it's fine. We can go again. I don't know why I always keep losing my levels. I don't know where my levels are gone. I literally lost all my analysis. But yeah, I'm watching GU to come and grab this resistance right here. Probably spike up off the back of CPI, and then I'll be looking for a big pullback down on GU. Same as EU. Got an alert set on EU. Here we go, daily time frame. Let's look at our daily chart. If I just move this alert so we can see it. EU to come and grab this resistance right here. You can see, look right now, what we're doing right now. We're creating that false level of resistance. So what are retail traders doing right now? Retail traders are going short right now, and they're either putting their stop above here or they got their stop right here, looking for this big swing back down. So all I'm looking for is price to come up, grab this high, grab the liquidity, and I'll be looking for a big swing on EU as well. That's on the daily, and I'm looking for a big swing on that one, but it needs to come and grab some highs for me first. Do I still trade and travel? Yeah, absolutely, man. I traveled the most I've ever traveled last year. I visited a stupid amount of countries, which was incredible. And yeah, I'll travel some more this year. We got Thailand in April with the community, and that's all I have planned so far. As well as being here in Australia and traveling around Australia. I went to a few places in Australia over Christmas, which was pretty sweet. But yeah, absolutely still travel, man. Just entered shorts on EU at 1544. Oh, did you know? Did you know, Ashley? Is that right? Is that for you looking for an intraday play, Ash, or are you looking for that juicy swing? Because look, we could come and grab the lows of the range before going higher. We could easily go boom, boom, and then boom. Easy. Oh, EA. I'm so sorry, Ash. I do apologize. Please forgive me. I'm ever so sorry. Fuck. I just dribbled fucking cocoa down me. Wrong chart. Lol. My bad. I'm looking at shorts on EA as well. Where we got here? I'm looking at shorts right here on EA. EA could have a juicy play. This is what I got on EA. I got some alerts set on EA as well. EA had this massive trend line coming down. We had that third touch manipulation. Retail's probably going short here. Stop hunted, broke back below. As soon as we come back up, retest these levels, I'm looking for a big short on EA. Huge play. Big potential. But it's EA, so I don't doubt we're going to fuck around for a bit first. But yeah, EA's got some very nice potential. As soon as we come up and retest these levels, I'm all in shorts as well. Great idea with that Thailand trip. Yeah, thanks, Ryan. It's gonna be good. I don't really see anyone else in the trading industry doing trading retreats. It's like a one of the most mentally challenging careers. Is I don't know why people don't already do this. So yeah, it's going to be good. I'm excited for it. Do you have a special medical insurance for long-term travel? I have travel insurance, but it's nothing special. I can link you the one I have if you want. Can I know how much your accommodation costs where you are right now? Yeah, I guess. Let me see. I'm in a month. Let me see. Work out a month. They do everything bi-weekly. So, place I'm at right now is around $1,350 a month dollars. That's in a leased accommodation. I tied myself in for a 6-month contract. But when I stay in Airbnbs, it's much more. Like when I was staying in Airbnbs in the Gold Coast, I was paying like, I don't know, $1,000 a week. So I was like, I'm gonna stay here for a long period of time rather than throwing money down the drain in Airbnbs. I'm actually gonna lock myself into a place. But yeah, it all depends on budgets, where you are, shit like that. I've paid £200 a night for a place, and I've also paid fucking £50 a night for a place, or £20 a night for a place in Thailand. All depends on where you go. Playing for a few seconds, it stopped out. I couldn't hear you at all, Alad. I don't know what's going on. I couldn't hear you at all, sir. Gold. Let's go up to intraday. Here, gold. What are we doing? I don't want to miss gold, and I don't want to miss NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pushing back up. Gold is not doing anything yet, which is fine. Just need to wait for a little bit more of a breakout if we're going to get it in the London session. We've got the London open soon. GJ, straight back down. Get back to Vietnam. $1,000 a month will get you a villa. Yeah, it would, man. It really would. And Thailand will get you a villa as well. I'm excited to get back to Thailand, man. I'm very, very excited. But yeah, Australia is pretty expensive. Food and shit and shopping and stuff here in Australia is very expensive. I spend a lot of money on food. Food, travel, and accommodation. That's what I really spend my money on, to be honest. I don't buy a lot of shit. GJ's very, very... These alerts are kind of messy. Can you hide these alerts? I don't think you can. You can hide that? Is that still there? Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. What would be the routine for Thailand? How do you mean, Ryan? You mean like as in like what would we do like each day, or like education? Oh yeah. Let me see. Don't say it. Halad, I'm not gonna say it. I can't say it. I would say it if I wasn't on YouTube, but I can't. Yeah, it's education with a bit of fun, but it's not even really so much education. It's more so the fun. Like I'll be trading live with everyone every single day. I've hired out a villa for the entire week, which I'm inviting everyone in the community to come stay with me for free. It's not anything I'm charging for. Let me see if I can share it here actually with you guys. And yeah, we're just gonna be trading live, eating good food, traveling around Thailand. We'll go do some cool shit, go explore some places. We're gonna trip over to the PP Islands. Well, we're doing it in Phuket, so I've hired out a villa for the week in Phuket. And then let me just how do I pop this? How do I share my screen? I'm not very good at all this shit. Where is it? Let me see. How do I share my screen here? Do you guys see this? Wait, that's the wrong one. There we go. Can you see this? You guys see this? Is my face in the way? I feel like my face is in the way. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just hiring out a villa, a nice big juicy villa with a nice pool in a nice location. And then we're just gonna trade live, go eat good food, go explore, and just connect with other people, other traders. So yeah, we're starting it in Phuket. We're trading in Phuket for the week, in our villa, and then we're gonna be going across. We'll get the boat on the weekend to the PP Islands, enjoy the weekend off the charts in the PP Islands, go get some private boat tours, shit like that. And then I just got cramp my leg. And then we'll head back to Krabi, is that's how you say it, and then we'll be going back to Bangkok for a few days as well. So yeah, doing a pretty big trip all around, but it's going to be good, man. I'm excited for it. Everyone else is excited for it as well. But yeah, it's more so just you know, educational, but more so just fucking having fun and being real people. You know, like the whole thing with trading is like it's such a lonely, boring mental journey when you're just sat in your room making money on your own. Like, who gives a fuck? Like, what's the point? So if I can do something where I can invite people to enjoy the profit that we make from the start of the year, then amazing, we'll go do that. And it just, people can meet like-minded people, connect. Like, I feel like it's hard to find genuine people these days in the industry. So yeah, it's gonna be good, man. I'm gonna vlog it all that good shit as well. Let me see if I can show you guys the villa that we got, if anyone actually gives a fuck. Maybe not, because the markets ain't doing anything right now. Airbnb. I'll show you guys the villa that I rented out for the week. Why am I not logged in here? Ah, shit. I'm not in my Airbnb account. Login code? What you talking about, man? Login code. I don't know what the fuck that means. Was this me? Yes, that was me. Why can't I log into my Airbnb? Let me show you guys here instead. Maybe this. Take it easy, Brian. Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip, man. Oh, I don't have my Airbnb on this phone. Airbnb. GJ, nothing yet. NASDAQ. NASDAQ maybe soon. Maybe. See how this next 15 minutes goes on NASDAQ. Trips. So I'm staying in Bangkok for a few days and then flying over to Phuket. We're going to be staying at this. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. If you even want to see it. But we're staying here. So I've hired out this like 5-bedroom villa for the entire week to trade live with everyone. There's another picture of it. So everyone's going to have their own room and shit like that. And then we've got our own private pool. Then we've got like a massive lounge where I'm going to host like, I don't know, we're just going to connect my laptop to the screen. Everyone can watch me trade live every single day. We'll be day trading the London session. It's got a nice little outdoor area and a nice private pool here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. It's going to be pretty good. And then yeah, before you know it, every other Furu will be doing it. No, I'm joking. Every other Furu has to use their community money and the stupid amount of money they make from their course and all that bullshit to fund their lifestyle. Good morning, man. Happy to see lives again. Yeah, appreciate you tuning in again, man. We're gonna have some banger live sessions this year, that's for sure. It's good to be back. It feels like we never even left. Was that now? What was that? No, it wasn't now. What was that? Get rid of that. I got too many alerts going on here. Get rid of that. And let's get rid of that. XRP alert. Where's that? Fuck, I think that's pretty low. XRP's had a little breakout, hasn't it? Where's that alert? How do I show these again? I don't like that hidden now. Shit. How do I show it? I don't know. I don't know what I've done here. Edit. No. Oh, there you go. There you go. DXY alert is at the lows, I believe. Yeah, nice. GJ. Do I have a cap on the number of people that can go? No, not really, man. I just invite everyone in the community. Whoever wants to come can come and join. Obviously, it will get filled out. But after that week, we're going to go do our own thing anyway. Like, we're all going to go stay elsewhere in the PP Islands that weekend, and then we're going to go across to Krabi and, yeah, do whatever. But no, there's no real cap. Like I say, to anyone who's even not in the community that wants to just meet up. If you're in Thailand in the area, then just let me know. I'm going to be there from middle of April to sometime in May. Mamba FX will buy another car. You're damn right you will. He needs to fund that lifestyle. Mamba FX is an absolute legend in the game. Shout out to that guy. Can you give your opinion about AU? Yeah, I can have a look at AU. I haven't traded it in a long time, but I can have a look. When was the last time I traded AU? Anyone else's analysis just sometimes go. I used to have all my key levels here, and they've just all of a sudden disappeared. I think it's like on too many charts. Yeah, let's have a look. What are you looking at on AU? Are you looking at intraday perspective or swing trade? I'll do a little top-down analysis anyway. We can see what's going on. So we'll start on, we'll keep this intraday, and we'll start on the higher time frames. So let's go on the weekly. So I'll look at the monthly. How was December's close? Doji. Which isn't bad considering we're around a massive level of resistance. Weekly is looking pretty strong. I'll probably be watching this high around here. Intraday, okay, can have a look at intraday. Let me just continue. Let's go. Oh man, don't do that. Might be frozen. QD, I don't know what that is. Daily. Look at that. Daily's grabbed some highs. Did we grab this high here? No, not really. I think I'll be watching this high. I reckon we might come grab that high. Maybe we'll pull back down, retest some levels first, and then grab some more highs. Bullish overall, so it kind of makes sense. Let's have a look. 4-hourly time frame. It's a bit messy. That was the last time I traded GJ. AU. When was that? 14th of December. Yes. Like, I mean, we just 4 hours just broken up. You could come and see some potential pushes higher up from here. It's not the cleanest though, to be honest. Hourly. Yeah, see, hourly's just taken this high here and had a not a bad sell-off. I mean, you've probably got a little trend line coming on here. We may come and grab some lows. I'd probably watch, if you're going to look at it from intraday perspective, if you're looking at longs, then I'd wait for it to come and grab this low here before looking for a push back up. If you do get that push back up, you could probably grab some highs up there, and then probably grab some highs all the way up here as well. But nothing massively jumping out for me on an intraday perspective on AU. But I mean, if you're looking at a short-term play, then yeah, you might have a nice position. But if I was going to say anything, I reckon we'll probably come and have a false reaction off here, maybe something like this. I live in Chiang Mai. Would you come here someday? Yeah, I was in Chiang Mai this year. I was in Chiang Mai in March, I believe. But yeah, Chiang Mai was a very cool spot. I'd love to come back to Chiang Mai at some point for sure. When was I in Chiang Mai? I was in Phuket. Yeah, I was in Chiang Mai in March this year, or March last year now. I was in Chiang Mai, staying at some nice places. Chiang Mai has some beautiful spots, good food. I love Thailand. Thailand's a trader's dream. Good food, good weather, good people, lots of beaches. Trading times are fantastic. Yeah. Thailand is the place to be if you're an upcoming trader. You can live cheap, you can eat well, you can travel, you can connect with other digital nomad people. Just all around a good place to be. And girls, yeah, Ash. I wasn't gonna say it, but you said it. Ash knows firsthand about Thailand girls. Not that kind of Thailand girls. Let's keep it PG here. But yeah, Ash knows about them ones. Jimmy, can you hear? I can't. Is it me that's? Audio. Where are we? Audio. Ah.
I've been nearly throwing my cunt
I can hear you.
Out the fucking window, and it's fucking you.
It was me all along. My speaker was coming out of my. It was selected on my microphone.
Honest to God, I've argued with the missus, and then he slapped the fucking cat. Fucking.
It was me all along. It was the speaker was trying to come out of my microphone for some reason.
Fuck.
You basically live in Thailand
Oh,
or
yeah.
on vacation? I was just on vacation for Thailand. I was there for like 2 months, I think. Alex is furious. The instant rage. Thailand, everything for me. Looking forward to it. Yeah, you should go, man, for sure. Thailand's an amazing place. Incredible place. Especially if you want to be a trader. London starts at, what time is it in Bangkok right now? So it's, 3 p.m. in Bangkok right now? So you can start trading at like 1, 2 p.m. in Bangkok, so you can enjoy your morning. So it's amazing. And you can trade the US session at like 8 p.m., I think. Are we still friends, Alad, or are we not friends anymore because you broke your headset because of me?
Yeah, we're good. You might. I told him, I said that. I was like, fuck, take your fucking dog to the school. I was like, get out. I said, you do my head in.
Did you actually?
Yeah. I was like, fuck. I said, get the fuck out of here.
It was all my fault all along, and Jimmy could just hear you raging in the background. I missed that. Fuck's sake.
I was like, fuck's sake.
Well, everyone else's mic was muted, so I didn't know if anyone else was talking, so I just assumed that it must be your mic fucked. But it was me all along. YouTube fam, 2 more likes and we'll hit 20 likes. And then we'll get some positions popping. Look at that, 15 minute is that's pretty low volume. Look at that, what was that? That's fucking 4 points, fuck all. Excuse my French. Yeah, it's a
No, we passed that.
4
Sorry, guys. Sorry, YouTube fam, and the F-bombs are going off. Sorry.
Yeah, no cursing on my YouTube stream, please. He'll be banned. Instant
I
ban.
didn't bring me coffee.
She didn't even bring you a coffee. She just brought you what? Hassle.
Oh, she did come over and try, but the little one was doing her head and stuff. I just gave her. Sucked your daughter out.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh,
She
no.
doing her head and sucked it out. I said, I didn't work. I had to charge.
Oh no, I've broken up Alice's relationship because my Zoom mic speaker wasn't working.
I think it's lucky you're looking at a 2-bed apartment.
Yeah, you're getting kicked out.
Yeah.
I don't have an office anymore. It's Alice's bedroom.
Yeah, tell him missus. Cheap rent.
That apartment I went to look at yesterday was stunning, and it's already gone. I rang them today to try and like get it, and it's literally already gone. I was like, fuck, it's literally unreal. Two bedroom, had like a
properties just go.
literally had like an office, a second bedroom I turned to an office, like facing the river and the city. Had a rooftop pool. Literally was like, okay, cool, today I'm gonna apply for it. Nah, gone. Both of them as well. I saw 2, one higher up as well, both gone. I was like, you motherfucker.
Maybe I love opportunities.
Yeah, for sure. There's loads coming up in Brisbane. Someone get the violin.
Yeah. I think we were unlucky on those goals.
Yeah. Holy shit, what the fuck? This is in someone's house in the Sunshine Coast. Wait, you can't see it. Wait, let me... You're not gonna like this. Look at that.
What? No way.
Yeah, that's fucked.
Nothing.
Why did I move to Australia again?
No.
Yeah, we were unlucky with the gold trades, but also great management. Where was our first one? Was what, here? Like that?
What, did you have the first and second?
No, I only had this one. And then as soon as we were rejecting this level, I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm going break even. and then boom. But I was looking for this. This could have easily came back down to these levels. I was looking for this. So I would have first target to come down here, and I easily could have ran all the way back down, take out this little double bottom.
1878, around there was my first target.
1878, yeah, here.
Around there.
Yeah.
Around there.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's why.
It's a nice level. As soon as we break this level, we've got easily to. As soon as we close strong here, we can easily drive down to like here 20 pips, here 30, come way back down here 18. Very very nice. But yeah, nothing much. Quiet London Open so far. NASDAQ's going higher. NASDAQ could see some shorts soon. We broke this level, coming back up for a retest. Strong 5 minute though. We can still easily come back up and retest these lows here. Do you have any like liquidity levels? You got a little double bottom there. Double bottom there on NASDAQ. As the S&P looking. S&P, is that taken out? No, S&P hasn't taken it out either. Look at that. Lovely double bottom on the S&P and NASDAQ as well, which will come and likely be grabbed today. Could have a juicy point move.
Yeah.
Do you only trade funded account or your personal? Personal majority of the time now, but I'm going to do more funded accounts this year, I think. But I prefer personal. So you should only use the the funded accounts to build your personal capital. That's the key. Funded accounts should only be looked at from a short-term perspective, in my opinion. I wouldn't look at them from a long-term goal. I don't think they're an escape. I don't think 100k account is enough for anyone to quit their job and be a full-time trader. It'd be very, very stressful. I mean, it's possible, but it's incredibly stressful. I would get a funded account, pull some money out, get a refund, do it again, rinse and repeat a few times, build that personal capital, and yeah, make that the goal. Yeah, or trade both or trade copier. I know many people that do that. Do that as well. Trade copiers are a great idea. I'll be doing that on my personal and funded when I go for some more this year.
No, one of the I shouldn't say his name. I'm not going to say his name. He's another pro trader. I think he's got like 4 or 5 accounts with different companies.
Yeah, nice.
And he uses the trade copier.
Yeah, it's good. Who's that? Send it in the chat. Do I know this person?
Yeah, I talk about him quite often.
But yeah, I've seen some pretty people have some pretty fat FTMO payouts. I'm like, holy shit, they literally just made like a fucking whole personal account in a few payouts. People have had like fucking 6-figure payouts. I was looking at the leaderboard on FTMO yesterday, or whenever it was last week, and there was some dude that was up like 60% or something on a funded account. I was like, holy shit, it's insane.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, disgusting. See the guy who made 1.2 mil? No? Where the fuck was that? On FTMO? On FTMO? Wait, have I seen that? Why does that ring a bell? Was there an interview on it? Because I think if there was, I've seen it. I'm pretty sure. I feel like I've seen it. Oh no, I saw a 500k one. When was that? That was 6 months ago. 76. I've seen that one. Was it? I think it was it. Was it US 30 trade, Ashley? If it was Ashley, why am I calling you Ashley? Ash. Yo, what's going on, Terry? How's it going, man? What's going on? Oh, look at this NASDAQ. Let's see this 5 minute on NASDAQ. This 5 minute closes bearish on NASDAQ. We could see a nice little trade here. First NASDAQ London trade since November.
Fake move as well.
Yeah, possible. How much percent do you gain consistently per week or per month? Completely depends. Like, say if I'm going for 1% risk, I'd say 10 to 15. Sometimes more, sometimes less. If I'm risking my personal, which I usually stick to around like 2.5, sometimes more, then obviously it's more. but I wouldn't trade more than 1% risk on funded accounts. Good shit, Ashley. Good shit, Ashley. Why did I call you Ashley again? How much do we percent do we make in a month, Alad? I think with the Zooms, I think it's more than 10%.
Yeah,
Way more.
Since we've been doing intraday, I think it's I've been much better.
Yeah, way more.
Intraday, 100%. Well, last week I think we were both 100% for me.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, so far I've taken this year 3 winners on gold, which is like I'm up like 110 already, and 2 break evens, and it's 11th of the month. Because you can't get the words out, Daddy. Ash just called me Daddy. You got competition out.
I just clicked on it. Hey Ash, come on.
Jimmy, yeah. Your boy.
Yeah, no, I think the games lately, especially this new...
It's been damn beautiful.
Yeah. The last, yeah. Even December was pretty good for me.
Yeah, December was good, yeah.
In the end.
Yeah, December started off a bit shitty. I took quite a few losses because there was no volume. Then towards the end of the month, yeah, I actually started to move, and I stopped trading in December quite early, actually.
Yeah. No, I think it's just the potentials are there. Like this morning, this morning with those 2 positions.
Yeah.
If the first one didn't hit the break even, I could have had over 30 points there.
Yeah, there. Solid.
But they both had me break even.
Solid. I don't get it. If I can spend $500 to get 10k risk on prop account, why would I not do it for as long as possible? Yeah, absolutely. Milk it for as much as you can, but only once you're consistent and once you're consistently making whatever the profit targets are. Use it as much as possible. I personally wouldn't do a 10k account. I would do minimum like 50. But yeah, you use them as much as possible. You can get like what max on FTMO 400k. You pull out 10%, there's 40 grand. Put that straight into a personal. You're laughing. And you get your refund as well. That's what I did a lot last year.
Oh, they started doing refunds now, have they?
Yeah, you always have. Whenever you get your first, I think it's when you get your first payout, you get a refund for the challenge as well. I think they've always done that.
Or only 5% does it then?
No, yeah, FTMO. As soon as you get your first payout, you get a refund for the challenge as well. So it's literally you get like fucking 6 figures for free, pretty much, which is pretty crazy. I'm gonna try. I heard people talking about the funded trader recently as well. Is it the funded trader? I believe it's the funded trader.
Who do you speak about that?
The funded trader. Yeah, funded trader. I might give them a try soon. I've heard good things about them. Which platform do you recommend for beginners? Just TradingView, man. Check opportunity for EU short. Okay. Not for me. Oh yeah, I need a liquidity grab for me to want to short personally. The range is too small. EU is just in a big range. I mean, you can trade the range if you want to trade the range, but I personally won't trade the range until we do this and then this, or until we do this and then this. Take the highs and I'll go short, take the lows and I'll go long. But until we do that, it's not a worthwhile pip range for me personally. So 50 pip range. 50 pips for me in a ranging market isn't worth the risk. Is GJ doing anything yet? Nah, GJ's still in the range as well. Gold's in the range. Everything's ranged a little bit this morning. We do have CPI tomorrow, but I still think we'll get some. Maybe it'll be a US session today. US sesh. I decided to do US sesh yesterday. I was watching it for like 2 hours. And I was watching gold. Where was it? here. And once we were doing this, and once that news came out and gave no real reaction, I was just fuck this, man. I can't watch this anymore. I was like, you know what, I'm done. Get off the charts. Don't even look at it whenever it's ranging like that. Look at that, more liquidity down there as well.
I didn't even bother.
Nah, it wasn't worth it. No point. No
point. I might jump on today though. I probably will, to be honest.
Yeah, well.
She won't be speaking to me anyway, so I might as well.
Yeah, you're in the doghouse. You got the whole afternoon to yourself to make bank.
Get blessed, innit? They think it's a punishment.
But yeah, very, very, very rangy morning. But it's what it is. Shit happens. Man, I'm gonna keep this phone just for. I still can't open MT4 on my fucking laptop. If anyone on YouTube knows how to fix that, I would really appreciate it. Every time I open MT4 on my Mac, for some reason, all of a sudden it's just started crashing. Every single damn time. And I've deleted the app, I've updated my Mac, I've reinstalled it, and it just opens, freezes, and then crashes. It's so annoying because now I'm back to trading from my phone. Now I've got 2 trap phones to trade from. I got one what the fuck? I need to delete the accounts of this one. I keep one for one. You could use one phone for one funded account and then one phone for personal. That would be a good idea. I just don't like trading from my phone anymore.
I should do that again.
Oh, that dude, yeah.
Game, man.
I didn't know he had loads of funded accounts.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a different one.
Yeah, I think that's his personal, I think.
Oh, yeah, I didn't realize he had this.
I'm his mate tonight, so.
Yeah, you're good mates with him, yeah, apparently.
Has he got his account on him?
You can trade on the MT4 browser. Yeah, you can, but Ash, I couldn't get in that risk management tool that you gave me on it. Which I was like, that's the whole fucking reason I was using it. Excuse my French. Sorry, what did you say, Alice?
He's got 2 of them up there.
Nice.
FT Mocom. My Forex times.
Yeah, nice. With 1% risk, how many consecutive losses you take on average? Max 4, maybe, in a row. I don't remember the last time I even took 4 losses in a row in the community. 3 to 4, I'd say, being conservative. But, you know, you never know. There's a losing streak always around the corner. But this is the reason that I can afford to risk more, because my win rate's high. And if you've got a high win rate, then it makes no sense for you to just stick to a 1% risk, because the chances of you losing 100 trades in a row is very, very low. But obviously, don't just start using random percent risk. You have to do it off your statistics and your data. Risk percentage and risk management is a lot deeper than just 1% risk per trade. It's all based off your previous trades, your win rate. You look at your risk of ruin, and then you can know how much you can afford to lose. So if you have a win rate of like over 70%, say, then you can definitely afford to risk more, and that's over a long period of time. Then you can definitely afford to risk more. Risk of ruin. This is what my friend. Where are we? Where's the chart he gave me? Risk of ruin. Where's the chart that he showed me? Did I post it in the community? I'm not sure now. Where is it? Yeah, it's what Marcus gave to me, but I can't find it. Where is it? Where is he? Where's Senior Baguette? Mr. Baguette, where are you? Here he is. Baguette. Here's Mr. Baguette himself. Let me pop this up. Here we go. Okay. All right. Let me share this. Let me share this with YouTube fam. This is why you need to be tracking every single trade that you ever possibly take, so you know how much to risk per trade. How how do I share this? You need to know your win rate, your average risk to reward. How do I share this? What is this? Preview. Here you go, YouTube fam. So you can see this. So on the left hand side, you got your percent win rate, and then on the right hand side, you have the probability of you losing that many trades in a row. So if your risk of ruin is basically like 0.1 or more, then you don't want to be risking any more than that. So if you have a win rate of, let's just say 65%, then statistically, the chances of you losing 11 trades in a row is 0.0%. So literally, there's no chance of you losing 11 trades in a row. So you could afford to risk a lot more. But once you start to go here, and there is a possibility that you could lose 10 trades in a row, then then that's how much you want to risk. If you have a 50% win rate, say for example, which is still amazing, then look, your chances of losing 10 trades in a row exist. So would you risk 10% per trade? Absolutely not. So a pretty interesting chart, a pretty interesting concept, and this is the reason that you have to track every single trade that you've ever taken and journal absolutely everything. Let me get this off. I just realized you couldn't see it on Zoom. My apologies. Let me see, these questions are coming in. You can do it. 100% do it. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get a Windows laptop. I think just for MT4. I don't know if it makes sense, but I have MT5 on my computer, but logged in with my MT4 account. Oh, weird. I never even thought of trying that. Do I limit my maximum number of trades per day? Yeah, I like to, but it all depends on the markets. If the markets are shit and I'm taking a few losses, yeah, then maybe like 2 to 3 is all you really need. Sometimes I may take 3, sometimes I may take 4, sometimes I may take 1, sometimes I may even take none. But yeah, like I'd say a maximum of 3 today. 3 a day is good. Let's see. What do I think of? Yes, I'm watching NASDAQ to see if we can come back down a little bit more. Get a nice strong 5-minute close on NASDAQ, and I'll be looking for some shorts. Gold's not doing anything. NASDAQ's the only one that's actually looking potential.
They did a double top though. Gold. 5 and 15.
Yeah, true. How's the 15-minute close? Pretty strong. Yeah, I'd want 30 minutes close soon. Hourly. Yeah, hourly's creating a nice top wick. 15-minute. Yeah, if the 15-minute can break this low here, then I think we got a nice play. Oh, look who's finally rocked up at 11. What time is it? Where's my London clock gone?
8:23.
8:23. 23 minutes after the London Open, and he starts showing his face.
Well, I'm not turning my camera on if you think that's going to happen.
Put your camera on.
No, I'm not fucking showing my face now.
Oh, I'm on
Today's no show.
I'm on YouTube Live. You're not allowed to swear. Watch your language.
You are?
That's your first warning. Watch your language.
Is that why you weren't texting me today?
Saying good morning, baby. Did you not get my morning text?
No, they're not delivered.
Oh, really?
Did you send them to the Lewis?
No. I've only got one Lewis.
You might have sent it to Lewis from Brighton.
No. I don't know any Lewises in Brighton.
I thought you knew a few.
No, I don't. Alright, let's put Lewis in the waiting room. Have you done any trades today? Yes, Terry, I have done a trade. My first trade was a break-even trade, which was this right here. Looking for this play on gold, but after we were respecting this level, it made sense to me to take risk off the table once we bounced off this. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go break even. If we push down, if we break this level, fantastic. We could easily bounce off this level and go higher, so taking risk off the table makes sense. So good break even, which then would have come up to hit stop loss. So good trade. And the other trade that I've taken today was Asian session short. Pretty much the exact same setup. Closed here at a nice 1 to 3, 20 pips. Well, my full TP was here to come down and liquidate these lows for a 1 to 5. but I trailed my stop aggressively and then got stopped out here. I was very surprised we didn't actually take these lows, which is going to be the play for today. The play for today. How do you count break even? Win? No, I count break evens as break evens in my journal. But you know, if like in terms of like, was it a good thing? Then yeah, absolutely. Like this trade for me here this morning, this break even here, was a great trade. So it's like you could use this example as a win. Why was it a win? Because I was running shorts and I saw a level of barrier where the trade could go against me. So I accepted that. I wasn't married to my shorts. I kept open-minded and then took risk off the table and then got me at break even. So essentially it was a win, you know, protect your capital first, make money second. So you can class break evens as win, I think, as long as you stuck to your plan and you haven't broken your rules and you haven't gone break even for no reasons other than emotions and the fact that you don't want to lose money, then that's not a good thing. But in this situation where you're accepting where it could go against you and then you take a break even, yeah, it's a win in my opinion. So when you have 3 losses that day, you just completely stop trading, even if you see, if I've taken 3, it depends. If I've taken 3 losses and the market's like this and then it starts to break out, I'll probably trade it because I'm not going to be emotional if we're like this. But if I've taken 3 losses and I'm sticking to my plan where we're breaking out nicely like this, then yeah, I'll just step off the charts. But if the markets start showing me signs that there's going to be nice volume, then yeah, I could easily enter a position again. It honestly all depends on the setup for me and the way the markets are moving. I've no idea about trading, but I really want to get involved and learn all about it to eventually make some decent coin. Can you give me an example of a buy to sell from start to finish with profit? It's pretty much this trade here. But if you're completely brand new to trading, just go to babypips.com. Free website. You get loads of good shit on there. I'll post it in here. I'm pretty sure it's just called babypips. Babypips.com. You get loads of free goodies on there. You can basically got a whole free course. I give you the great beginner's guide. GG on the 5-minute time frame. I can even predict that. Yeah, I agree. You can't really. And we're not. I don't think we should try to. Hey, look at that. Where did my light go off? Oh, it's just gone off right now. Look at that. GJ breaking out.
Yeah.
GJ. Look at that. Nice strong 15-minute. Coming up into some nice juicy levels now. We're getting some movement. We're getting some movement. As soon as Lewis joined, we get some movement.
Yeah, boy.
Come on.
Can you start waking up at like 6 for me, please, Lewis?
What's that?
Can you start waking up at 6 a.m. for me and jumping on a
Yeah, of course. Don't worry about it.
No, but Lewis, Lewis, you said that on Sunday. I'm going to start trading London Open, and you weren't here.
Listen,
No, you listen, Lewis.
My back tested results. I'm no longer a 10 a.m. person.
just so it's seen, like I have to wait
Lewis,
8 on the dot.
Lewis changes his strategy like I changed my socks, and I've had enough of it. I'm putting my foot down.
You wear the same socks all week.
Lewis woke up and chose violence today. We all woke up and chose violence today. I don't know why.
Okay.
I don't know what's...
Lewis, I'm divorced.
Oh, look at this. Nice. We could get a nice short on GJ now. Look at that. Taking out them highs. Now we could be coming for the lows. Oh. See what we said earlier on in the call, YouTube fam? We have this high here that we're going to come and grab before going short. We have this high here. We don't have to grab this high. As long as we start grabbing this double top here, then it's a lovely place to start considering shorts. So let's see how this 5-minute closes. NASDAQ, nothing yet on NASDAQ. Respecting that little support. Got a potential on the break of this little low here. Come down and let me see if the rest of the word makes sense. That's a little 1 to 2. 30 points, not bad. It's not bad, is it? Is it, Lewis? Yeah, it's a bit meh.
No, not at all.
It's a bit meh, but it's not bad.
I've actually stopped looking at NAS.
Yeah, London in December for NAS was very, very quiet. November was fucking amazing. But, yeah, she went a bit... Gold's just been more beautiful in London. Is gold awake yet, or is gold still sleeping? Gold's still sleeping for now, which is fine. We can just trade GJ and NAS today.
I'm fine with GJ. I'm more than fine with GJ.
Absolutely, sir. They're about to get that 30-minute on GJ as well. We did come close to that high. It makes me think we will grab this high. It may spike up one more time.
No. Then the retailers would be like, boom.
Yeah.
Taking that out.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. I reckon the retailers this morning were doing something like this. Boom. Stopped out. Could come and grab this high here. Maybe they're still loading up shorts because they're so emotional. Oh. Doji 5 minute on NAS. Nothing yet. Silly Lewis. Yeah, Silly Lewis. Someone in the chat just said Silly Lewis. Lewis. You gonna take that, Lewis?
Well?
No, I'm going to take it for now.
Yeah, for now. Better watch yourself.
For now.
What's that song? Watch yourself. Get beside yourself.
I know the one. You're gonna get me banned on YouTube for music copyright because your singing was that good.
I was quite close. It was.
Lewis, you trading the US today? It's gonna be US session, I think.
No, I'm trading up until 12. We have CPI tomorrow, so it's going to be pretty.
That's the reason I think we're going to be a bit dead today. CPI tomorrow is going to be huge.
Yeah.
We're going to get some. I'm going to put some juicy buy stops and sell stops on CPI tomorrow. Oh, I'll do it.
It's going to be pretty murderous.
Yeah, it's going to be wild.
If you do it, honestly, I'll tell you this now.
Go on, tell me.
100% watch you.
All right. When your stop lot is hit and you re-enter and you hit TP, do you still count a loss here for the journal? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. The loss still goes in. Every single every single trade that you take on MT4 has to go in. GJ 4 hour, yeah, it's a nice juicy level there you got. I like that.
The top fit.
Yeah.
Good.
Looks like it lines up pretty nicely with 1615 as well.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's a good question. But yeah, every time like I hit a trade and hit stop loss or hits take profit, it all goes in the journal, regardless of if I re-enter or even if I have hedges running and I close partials of hedges and it reduces the amount of loss, I still count that as a loss. Like even if it's not a full loss, I still put it in the journal as what type of loss it is and if it was a good trade or not. You know, sometimes you can take a loss and it can be a good loss. Sometimes you can take a loss and it can be a bad loss. Sometimes you can take a good win and sometimes you can take a bad win. So you have to be noting all these things down as well. Just because you made money doesn't mean it was a good trade. Stick to the plan at all times and make money second. Sticking to the plan is the key. I put some lights on this joint.
Okay, could come up.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it I'll give London I'll give it until 9. And if nothing, see what US is saying. I'll see how this 5 minute goes actually. How was that 30 minute close on NAS? Nice actually, that was nice. I may take a little short here on NAS. To be honest, I'd like to see it break this support though. Has the S&P just taken out that 5 minute high one more time? No. Okay. I'm not taking this yet. Not yet. I want it to break the support. Break the support and then we can consider it. $15 minute on the S&P. Nice. Yeah, 15 minute is nothing yet. 5 minute. 5 minute closes like this, we could see a short. Yeah, I agree. Ashley. I agree with you. Let me get my demo account ready just in case. Where's my demo account? Ooh. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Close like this. Get a nice little retest and we'll take a trade. That was the entry I would have liked to get, but I would, if this 5 minute had closed below here, we'd be short right now, but let's just see. GJ coming back down, but we want GJ to break back below this level to confirm that this is a fake out to go short. Go on, Nas, break this low, break this level. NASDAQ's taking out these lows here. S&P is holding them. Something to be wary of. If NASDAQ S&P breaks these lows as well, then we should be all clear. Look at us. Now come back up and retest first so I can go short. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go. Okay.
So we get drunk.
So we smoke weed.
Hey, you can't talk about drugs.
So yeah, don't talk about that on my stream.
Please.
Okay, I'm going short on the break of this 5 minute low. How's that stupid trade, Lewis?
What's that?
How's that stupid trade?
It's not a stupid trade. I'm
Thank
doing
you.
something else right now.
Alright.
Someone's trying to bill me for something I'm not even using, so I'm trying to fight.
Yeah, have it.
Is that what you told your missus about OnlyFans account?
If we don't break the 5 minute low, then we don't take a trade.
Babe, I don't know where this come from. It must be something else.
That's like £5 a month. I don't pay anything.
Let's see if we get triggered here.
Let's see through you, Lewis.
Yeah, we know what you're up to, Lewis. We're no fools.
Yeah, no one talks about the money coming in from OnlyFans.
Come on, can I sub to your OnlyFans? What's your username?
Oh no, it's private.
No, I know, but I want to sub. I'm just going to support the grind. I'm not going to watch it or anything. Like, just like as a mate, I'm just trying to support your hustle. I wouldn't watch it.
No, it's my mate's OnlyFans. I'm just like managing it.
Were you in it or not?
No.
Oh, I'm not. I don't want it then. Not that I would want to watch you, but I just don't want it then.
Yeah.
Just like as a mate, like I would have supported you, but yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely not in it.
Okay, like, but if you were in it, like, how would I check? Like, what's the account called, just so I could like just check? Like, I don't know.
You remember where my like freckles are?
Yeah.
Right. You'll see them. Like you'll know.
Fucking hell.
This conversation has just gone.
It's not me, it's Lewis. Lewis joins the Zoom and just starts causing havoc.
No, we all know why you want to get to Thailand.
Come on. Alright, come on. This is what we want.
You're unhinged today, man.
What's that? I've got a wife. I'm settling down.
Is she with you?
Well, no.
Don't think I got a wife anymore.
Wouldn't longs be good on NAS? Maybe. But I mean, overall, well, it's not been taken on either or, so we need to come and grab some liquidity before we have that push back up. So, nice little 24-point intraday pushback down would be nice, but this is quite strong now. So if we close back bullish and the 15 minutes going to leave another wick, and then we could potentially, if we trade back above the support, let's grab the liquidity to the downside, then you could see the long. So if we don't break the low, then we don't take a trade and we just cancel the order and potentially look for longs. So I'm going
to...
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. Yeah, literally. No emotions or no bias. If we don't break the low, we don't take a trade. If we break back above, fake out confirmed, amazing. If the range is worth it, we can go long. But the long range right now isn't worth it because you come back down and retest here. It's only a 20-point range.
Nice hourly. Last hourly.
Yeah, last hourly was very, very nice. Very, very nice. Breaking that level. I think we come and grab some lows. Look, you see how she came and grabbed the lows that we were trying to trade yesterday? Here.
Where?
This is the short that I took on in London. Would have been a 1 to 10.
Would have been so nice.
Would have been. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It did hit a little 1 to 4 though, but I'll take a break even all day. Yeah, came down, liquidate the lows, and then boomed right back up and took the highs. 4 hours decent. 4 hour. How's the 4 hourly looking? Yeah, 4 hours solid as well. 4 hourly is very, very nice. I mean,
what's the S&P thing?
What time frame do you want, Daddy? Lewis, sorry.
Oh.
I still think we're going to come and grab these lows down here. We've got this double bottom to take.
No, we're definitely going lower. Look
Easy.
at 5 minute on the S&P.
Yeah.
That's stunning.
It's stunning. Look at that 5 minute. Okay, cool. I'm cancelling the order now.
Oh my god.
Did you call me?
No, no.
Start looking at 3 minute chart more. Oh, nice. That is cute. Do you smart money concepts or what? What's the or what part?
What's that?
I don't know. No, I don't use smart money concepts. I've been trading, liquidating double tops and double highs before smart money concepts was even a thing. Not that it works or doesn't work, but no, I don't trade SMC or what, whatever the or what part is. Lewis, you trade smart money concepts or what?
I don't know what that is or what.
I feel like smart money concepts uses more like order blocks and shit like that. I don't use any of that. I just use just very, very simple. There he is. Price coming to take double tops and double bottoms. Traps of trend lines and fibs. And that's pretty much it. What's so funny?
In your night gone. You are.
Yeah, he's not up fresh, ready for the day. Where's your suit, Lewis? You need to have a suit before you come on the charts.
This is my suit.
No, it's not. No, you need
it.
No. You need a real suit.
You know what they say?
I use what?
What
Yeah,
do they
good
say?
shit.
Are owned by people in nightgowns.
Come on.
You're doing it right, Lewis.
Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Bit disappointed you're dressed under there, though. I gotta be honest.
Yeah, go on, get it off.
I don't conform to capitalist ideologies.
Jesus.
That was a big. Did you practice that last night or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I read some big words yesterday. I thought I'd use them.
That's a mouthful. That's what she said.
Wait, Lewis, look what I got. Come on.
Your phone?
Yeah, I got the new. You can't fucking see it. I got the new Pro Max in black. It's naughty, eh?
The 14?
14 Pro Max still.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Did she buy it for you?
No, I took a withdrawal from my demo account today. You can take withdrawals from your demo account, you know?
Have you opened it? Have you taken the GPS tracker off?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Get a screen protector in a case. Yeah, I do need to get a screen protector in a case, actually. It's just so nice
It is
about
a
the
bit
case.
sus that she's giving you that.
No, guys. I bought it myself. Gold paid for it. It was all thanks to gold.
It's a good gift, to be honest.
No, it wasn't a gift. I bought it. I'm not a demo trader. I'm trying to make me out as if I'm a demo trader.
I thought your mate Jordan lost his new phone yesterday. That's weird.
Well, an all black iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Yeah,
I'm not.
the new one,
No, I'm not seeing it, mate. I don't know what you're on about. Don't let that baby break. Yeah, I need to get a screen protector and a case on it. How was the apartment shopping yesterday? Terry, it went today. I rang up today to acquire it, and it was already gone. I was like, you motherfucker. I literally came to see it yesterday. I seen two yesterday in the same building, and they're both gone. I was like, oh, man. I get GJ back to ranging. I can't keep it on gold. I'm ready to go all in on NASDAQ, but low volume. Don't point at me. But yeah, Terry, it was a lovely place. I was very, very keen. It was gone.
You locking yourself in to like a year contract?
Yeah. So I'm gonna set up home base, and then I'm gonna do some.
Oh.
I want to get like a I'm gonna get a 2-bedroom and have 1 bedroom as a trading office room, and then once I'm
That's what I did.
it's good. You need it. You need a private room. You can just go and do your shit. But
yeah, you do.
And then as soon as I'm set up, then I'm gonna get back to exploring again.
You moving in by yourself or?
No, I got a wife.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You better be paying extra for that extra room.
No, you're damn right. I'm not. No chance.
This is serious.
You want to be a stay-at-home housewife or not? Well then. Gonna be not every girl gets to wake up and be a trader's wife, you know. It's a privilege. It's like being a footballer's wife, except you're being a trader's wife, a demo trader's wife. What more could someone want?
Literally.
Doesn't get much better than that. Oh, GJ is now breaking back below. Nice 15-minute. Could see some shorts on GJ actually. See, I can't watch everything. All right, I gotta watch NASDAQ or I gotta watch GJ. Soon as GJ come back up and retest some levels first, I may look for some shorts.
The only thing I got there is that level there.
Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, that's why if we wait for this little bit. See, come back down and I think we can easily come back down here. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna potentially. I like this. Oh, you piece.
Where are you based again?
What?
Are you in Brisbane?
I'm in Brisbane.
Nice.
Why?
It's not missed.
I'm all over the shop. I'm in Brisbane and Gold Coast.
Nice.
Closes below that level.
Yeah.
Then
I was about to take this, but I still think we can get a nice close here and then retest. I was literally. No, we don't take the retest. That's silly.
Oof, gold's taken up. Yeah, no, not anymore.
Is gold awake?
Like that double top.
Oh yeah, it is nice. We're getting some movement now. This is good. Oh, GJ, man. This is why I don't like trading from my fucking phone.
Still not confirmed.
Yeah, we still got time.
Yeah, still not confirmed.
But I like this little break of that little break, quick little retest.
Yeah. Still not.
GJ ain't worth it me. Too sus. Yeah, I agree. Actually, it is still in a shit range. I just like how we grabbed these highs. We still could wait for this 15-minute confirmation. 15-minute was nice. Look at that. Broke these highs here. Broke back below. Nice strong 15-minute close. I think we can come back down and feel the lows of the range. Yeah. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. We still got plenty of time. 5-minute. See if we come back up and we break this level and then we come back up for a retest. We'll get a better stop loss and a better risk reward anyway. So we're laughing. We are laughing all the way to the bank. If I was in this, I'd be considering bringing some risk off the table.
Nice. 25.
Oh, NASDAQ's going higher again. YouTube fam, 22 likes, 3 more likes, and GJ will give us the goods. And we're about to take this trade and call it a day. Call it a day until the US sesh. Yeah, I like that. I like that on gold. I like that, sir. Oh man, damn. They were just too quick to even possibly enter.
I didn't want to close this strong down.
Excuse me. No, me neither.
Let's Still a 20-pointer.
Yeah. I'm tempted by 100 pips still. For a bit, yeah. A big swing. I like that. I like that idea, Ash. I think it's got big potential to come down and grab all the way down here. No, sure, I'd hold a runner all the way down there. A runner.
She's a runner, she's a dragster.
You're gonna get me copyrighted.
Sorry.
No, it's okay, man.
I actually own that song, so.
Oh, do you? Can I have the copyrights to it?
Yeah.
So can I play it now?
No, you can play it, of course.
Well, and I won't get copyrighted.
Yeah.
Really?
It's fine.
All right, sweet.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Just don't double cross me because I'll sue you.
What's it called?
I'll sue you.
You don't know what it's called, so it's not your song.
Yeah, just type in "she's a runner, she's a track" lyrics on Google.
What if I say, hey Siri, what song is this? And then you sing it. Do you reckon it'll work?
Yeah.
Okay,
but then do it now.
Well,
I'm
we'll
a
try.
bit busy.
Hey Siri, what song is this?
Hold on.
It's 8:50.
Oi!
What?
My Siri started telling me the time.
Don't talk to. I'm trying to talk to my Siri, and you're trying to talk to yours.
10 minutes, counting down.
What? Don't do that. If I was in this, I'd probably be at break even now, so let's see how we go. That got my Siri going too. Everyone's Siri's popping off. This happened too quick to even put it in. What I mean, we'll be at what? It's
No Pippi just yet.
It's 10 pips. I don't give a shit about 10 pips. Why's my Siri? What do you want? Go away, Siri. NASDAQ still dojing on the 5 minute. Nothing on NASDAQ either. I'll give it another like 15 minutes, and if there's nothing, we'll come back for the US. That's what I'm saying. Anyone else going long on gold? Who's going long on gold? Let's see. Gold's grabbing some highs. Gold's grabbing some juicy highs.
Where's the target?
Yeah, that's the thing. There's no real target. Where's the next real level on gold? Well, yeah, it's basically in it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not. Just this is the first breakout. I mean, if you do push up and you get like a retest, then you can go long. Then you can target this high here. But to go long right now, I don't really see an upside target. I'd rather let the breakout confirm, get the retest entry instead. Personally.
Ew.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Look, sometimes if we're just watching this on GJ, it's like looking like it's breaking down nice. We got some nice analysis. You go back to the 15 minute, it's just like, oh man, this is just fucking whack ass price action. This is the time where you try trade price action like this, you get wiped out. Very overextended. Yeah, very, very overextended. I think gold on the high time frame could be in for a big swing short. We got CPI tomorrow, so I probably won't come in till then, but I need to get a case for this iPhone. Still. Ah, damn. What risk to reward do we run at now? That's pretty annoying. This is one of them.
I'll be right back.
Alright, man. Have a good one.
In a bit.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
What risk to reward would be up? Oh, 1-to-1. It's not bad. I couldn't execute it quick enough. I just couldn't get it quick enough. Slightly painful to watch this go down, but it is what it is.
Yesterday and today now there's been moves in GJ, but they've just gone.
Yeah, I literally was seconds away from executing this. I was too busy loading it up on my fucking phone. Oh man, what's that? 15. But again, analysis here was all broken down before we even saw all these moves. We come and grab the highs and then we come and grab the lows. It's as simple as that. Terry, yeah, it would have been a fucking beautiful trade, man. My target would be down here. I would be break even right now. So it'd be interesting to see how it plays. But yeah, that was the whole analysis. We got this false level of resistance. Retails go early on in the London session. They go short here, stops above the highs, look for this play back down. False move, pre-London, London open, boom, spikes out all retail traders, closes back below this level, has a quick little retest, you go short, and then you're basically targeting the bottom of the range. We're in the range whenever the markets are in a range like this, never take the first breakout. So if we're in a range like this, the markets are doing this, which is what GJ was doing this morning. And then you see this, and you see this. Never take the long, because we're going to come back down and grab the lows. If we're going to go higher, then we're going to come and grab the lows and then run up for the highs. So this was the whole reason behind the play on GJ today. We're in a range, we come and grab the highs, and then we grab the lows. Look at this. We wick out the highs first, wick them out again. Retails go long here on this break and retest, thinking this is just going to go to the absolute moon. They got stopped on the shorts. They're getting now stopped on the longs, and then it has the real move back down. So yeah, a little bit unfortunate to miss it, literally by a couple of seconds, because I couldn't load up my fucking MT4 quick enough. But it's following the plan. Following the plan, even in a small 5-minute range. I really need to fix MT4 on my laptop. I have no idea what to do with it though. But yeah, it's a lovely call. Lovely call. And I said, GJ is a wild horse, but it follows the plan where you know the liquidity grabs very, very well.
I'm coming to like it again.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too.
Yeah, I do like it. I've had some nice calls.
Very, very nice calls. Does it have an error code when it loads? Actually, literally, it's completely random. I've used it for ages. And I've literally all of a sudden gone to open it the other day. And I open it, it freezes on the home page. I'm opening it now. So it's loaded up right now. It's trying to load, it's trying to connect. Now it's just giving me the Mac loading thing. And then it crashes. It literally doesn't give any like errors. And now it's just crashed. It's really annoying because I hate trading from my phone now. But I'm going to have to use it on the web browser, I think, but it's not as good. Oh, GJ. Anyone?
Gold.
Yeah, gold's still got the opportunity as well. Look at that.
Look at that hourly.
Oh, look at that nice 5-minute on close on gold.
Yeah.
Hourly could be nice. 5-minute close on gold. I just don't like how we're coming straight into this level again.
Yeah.
Like we
That's the only thing.
we could go short here. Take something like this. It's a good trade, but the second we come into this level, it's instant caution.
Yeah.
Have you restarted your laptop? Yeah, Ash, I updated my laptop and reset it as well. I still didn't do anything. It's really annoying. Very, very annoying. Anyone on YouTube catch that GJ trade? If anyone was able to put it in early. How many pips is that? That's 20 pips. I'd probably just take it and be done for the morning. I don't know if anyone else caught it. I did not catch it. NASDAQ, not in this. It's just a boring range. Boring. No volume as well. Markets are probably honestly just going to range until CPI tomorrow, but I'll be trading US. I mean, I'll be watching US. Whether or not I take anything, we'll see. But yeah, it's a little bit unfortunate to miss this one. But shit happens. Shit happens. There's nothing we can do about it. No point crying about it and getting all emotional. And we just wait for the next opportunity to come up. These opportunities come up every single day. Every single day, multiple times a day. Multiple times a day. I just wanted to be done.
Close below that level.
Yeah, I think we come and grab this low here. I don't really need the alert there anymore now, but
Looks like going down.
see, like the risk to reward, even if we do hit full TB here, it's only a 1 to 2. It's nothing crazy. I mean, you arguably could have had that. I would have wanted to come up and just retest that a little bit more, and I would have had a stop loss there. And that would have hit, what, 1 to 5 in a what, 5-10 minutes? Crazy. Gold in the 15-minute. Yeah, gold's about to close in the 15-minute. And I'm going to get that hourly close as well. It's going to be nice. We're not in this just yet.
If that closes below that level,
yeah,
I'm going to look for shorts.
Me too. We'll be shorting this mofo all the way down
Still
to...
like 50 bit. Even to that first level you have.
Here.
No, the first one. That's still 30 points.
Yeah, it's an easy target as well. You look at it on the hourly. Easy. I reckon a lot of retail traders are probably we're trying to long this original breakout on gold and now getting stopped. Look at that 15-minute. Throwing a big, fat, juicy wick. That's very, very nice. Look at that nice, solid. Come back up and... I'm going to enter this gold trade right here. I'm personally going to take half my normal risk due to the low volume. I'm going to go short. I'm in short right now. What the fuck? This iPhone's weird. Okay, I'm short right now. Half risk because it's a bit of a reversal trade and there's not huge amounts of volume.
Stop loss above that this current candle or the previous?
I got it above this previous 5-minute high, but if this 5-minute breaks this zone here, then yeah, we can adjust it to here. We got like first TP here, second here, then potential to come all the way back down there. But this next 5-minute has to break back below this level. It's only a 12 pip stop, 11 pip stop loss, half risk, so less than that. I'm about to get ready to close. If we break that 5-minute high, yeah, if this 5-minute doesn't break this level of support, then we'll either let it hit TP or stop loss or close. Oh, look at that. We get some volume now, though.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, you fucking cunt. Oh, look at that. Oh, so let's say we're getting some volume. We're still just in the range on GJ. Go on, give us a big, fat, juicy 100 pip candle for no reason. Please. We don't ask for much, do we?
Oh, God, I'm out.
I'm still in. Okay, I'm out. Out.
That was manipulation.
Yeah, I think we may come and run the 15-minute high one more time. I'm still going to be watching it though. Oh, fuck. Let me see. There's a 1 to 3. Yeah, we may come and grab, on the 15-minute, we may come and grab the high one more time. But still, if the 5-minute still breaks below this level, I'll be looking for re-entries. GJ,
Yeah.
look at that wick on GJ, holy shit. If the GJ range was big enough, I'd play that, but I'm not really comfortable with, say stop loss isn't even that big, but yeah, GJ could even have a play all the way down here, but I just don't like how ranging it is. The GOAT, appreciate it, brother. Anyone on YouTube take this NASDAQ position? It's absolutely booming right now. Booming, absolutely booming. You can easily come up and run all the way up, all these highs up here. Some fantastic calls this morning, and it's unfortunate that you just haven't managed to catch them. Lewis, you in?
I'm in home. Right, what's going on?
NASDAQ's finally woken up, but
Finally.
I'm not in it. I'm still looking to sell gold. I wanted to go to the...
Oh, she
Oh, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Come on. Look at that hourly and 15-minute on gold as well.
Do you trade gold?
What's that?
You trade gold?
No. Am I not supposed to? Is that the wrong answer?
No, I just didn't know.
Oh man, look at that. Damn. Damn.
I'm still looking for shorts.
No, don't be silly.
Don't be silly.
Nah, I'm joking, I agree. I think we still come and grab these lows. Which is why I'm going to trade US today. Because I think there's still potential 70 to 100 point move. That's what I'm saying.
I think there's still potential to come all the way back down.
Yeah, on the daily lows. I think we can come all the way back down here. What the fuck?
You reckon?
That's what I reckon. But we won't get it until CPI, I don't think.
Yeah.
And we can easily still come and retest these levels before.
Mm-hmm.
All of a sudden, as soon as we get up to here, oh my god, a recession's coming. Yeah, all right, mate. All right, mate. We didn't know that was coming, did we?
Yeah.
What the fuck is flying in my mouth? I'm getting ready to short. I want to short gold again. That's what's up. Lewis, I took a minus 5 pip stop loss.
You did?
Yeah. But I don't want to talk about it.
No, we have to.
We have
Why
to?
do you take it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's alright.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I used half risk because of the lack of volume. So it would have been six pip stop losses. It's Lewis. It's okay. I'm fine. All right.
If you did half risk, you only lost 2.5.
Exactly, Lewis, and I'm okay with that.
Mm-hmm.
I'll live to see another day.
2.5 is basically spread, so you basically opened and closed it by accident.
Yeah, pretty much. Go to the 1 minute time frame. I don't like the 1 minute.
I love the 1 minute.
Yeah, Lewis loves
funny.
the 1 minute. Look at that 1 minute.
Yeah, you could have taken the short right up there.
Yeah, shoulda, woulda, coulda. No, as soon as we break this level of support, I'm all in. Your trade on gold was valid. Yeah, the gold trade was beautiful, man. Beautiful. It is actually nice in the 1 minute. But I rarely trade the 1 minute, but it is nice in the 1 minute. You can even see a little 1 minute re-entry, to be honest. But I'm personally going to feel comfortable once we break this support. I think we come back down and retest these levels, and then potentially go all the way back down here. I'm just a bit skeptical that we have CPI tomorrow. I'm just unfortunate to miss the NASDAQ. NASDAQ entry would have been better here. That was a more valid entry for me.
Pardon me.
Excuse you.
Thank you.
That's okay. No worries. So look. Just when she gives us here's a little bit of volume. Snooze, you lose. We're back to no volume. You reckon GJ is going to fill in that wick, or we're going to go lower? I don't like GJ. Oh, Lewis, were you here when I was about to take GJ short as well?
I don't think so.
I was literally seconds, and I mean seconds, away from taking this. But because I can't have it on my laptop, I couldn't load it up on my fucking phone quick enough.
Jesus.
Yeah. I don't know what Jesus has to do with it, but if that's what you want to use, then that's up to you.
He died for our sins.
Sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's not funny.
No, I'm sorry. Been following you not too long.
I'm
Love
sorry,
how simple you keep your trading. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Got to keep the technicals simple, clean, and get the mindset on point. Technicals are literally waiting for liquidity grabs and stop hunts, and then just entering once we break the levels. And it's as simple as that. Too many people on social media overcomplicate trading these days. Keep it simple, very, very simple. Like if you just trade, I don't trade breaks and retests, but look, if you just trade breaks and retests of levels, look, there's 50 pips. But yeah, my whole plan is liquidity grabs, retail traps, and then entering on the break of levels, and it's simple as that. Although we didn't break the level here, 5 minutes looking juicy, but look what I said. We're not here to predict, we're here to react. Price hadn't broken this level yet, so shorting here was very, very risky, which is the reason I used half risk along with the lack of volume, because it's a level of resistance. We usually break this and go higher, regardless of if I think it's going to break or not, which I do think it's going to break. We have to let the markets confirm that. Damn, one of them days today. One of them days.
I'm thinking about putting an order in 1883.63 on gold.
Ooh. 1883?
1883.63.
1883.63. Yeah, I like that.
5 is in. It's on.
exactly what you said. Liquidity grab, stop hunts is what I've been focusing on to do. Good shit. Yes, good shit, man. Good shit. That's all you need. That's all you need is look for the double tops, the double bottoms. Same as look for the third touches on trend lines, the reactions of 61 fibs. Wait for them stop hunts, and then boom, enter once they've happened. Like even this move on GJ, although we missed actually executing it, and we called GJ to the absolute T this morning. In this range, they're basically saying until we come and grab these highs or grab these lows, only then can we take a trade. Grab the highs, solid 5-minute close. If you're quick enough to get that quick reaction, take the sell, stops above, and now we're going to come and grab the lows of the range. I think we'd even come down even lower. Exactly the same as with this Asian session trade I took this morning. Here. Grab these highs here. Solid, quick 5-minute close. Got in on the little retest. Stops above the highs once we broke that 5-minute low. Then again. Then entered. Was looking to target this double bottom. But trailed an aggressive stop loss and closed out 1-3. Exactly the same setup that we just took here. Literally the exact same thing. It's all about the risk management. There's always going to be losses in whichever trading plan you have. You will never have 100% win rate, and that's not the goal. But I still think we're going to get re-entries today. I don't think it's going to come in London by the looks of it, but I think US Open will easily make back. I mean, still on the day, I'm still 2.5 up, but I still think we're going to get more trades in US session. I mean, I'd like to take some more with you guys here on YouTube, but I'm not too sure if we're going to get it. We'll see. I'll give it another 10 minutes, and then I might just go to the gym and come back for US. Yeah, GJ volume was looking lovely. Now we've gone back to doji candles. Lack of volume today. 41 people in the chat. YouTube fam, fly in my fucking face. Drop a little like if you enjoyed the stream. We're doing these every Wednesday and Friday for the entire year. Entire year of 2023, we're going to do YouTube lives. Isn't that right, Lewis?
Yes, sir.
See? Euro ED took me for break even, now dumping. Naughty, yeah, I love that when that happens, Ash. This fly wants to die today.
I want to see how US 100 reacts to taking out the highs.
Yeah, look at that. Got that high on the S&P. Got this high on NAS. Very, very nice.
If she starts failing here, we can get some nice shorts.
Yeah, there's a nice little retest entry. Look at that. 5-minute close bearish, 5-minute close back above. You get the little retest. Look at that. I would have taken this here if the 5-minute didn't then close doji after closing bullish again and showing lack of volume. Oh shit. Oh, is gold gonna break? Took GU shorts. Nice. I've been looking at GU shorts as well. I'll be looking at big swings on GU shorts. Yeah, I've been looking to short GU once we were coming to grab these highs here. I was looking to short GU, but then we just kind of went very, very slow. But if you were shorts from like up here, amazing. Amazing. And now I'm still a little bit skeptical that we may now, I don't know, maybe come grab these, because I still think the DXY has a little bit more room to the downside. To come and take Monday's daily low. Come and tap into this where I got my alert, and then I'll be buying the US dollar more, and then come pull back up. Gold will dump. If gold dumps, I will take a short. Only once we break this level of support will I take a short.
I wanted this 15-minute candle to close below that level. There's only 20 seconds left, so I took it.
Are you in?
It hasn't targeted me, no.
Oh, nice. Yeah, if the 5 minute breaks that level, we're all in. 15 minute, looking at 15 minute was looking really, really promising and lots of volume. Now we've just gone back to doji. Doji. Maybe we run the highs one more time, fill in the wick. I don't know. But I'm only going to trade it once we break back below. Break this, and then we go boom, down to here, and then down to here. That's what I reckon. I'm gonna give it. How long am I gonna give it? I'm gonna give it one more 15-minute candle to show me some signs of volume, and then if not, I'm gonna go make some gains. I'm absolutely not doing leg day, and then we'll come back for US.
Are you doing the whole of US?
Nah, I'll do 2 hours US.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see what the volume's like. If the volume's dead again, I really think the market's just gonna be quiet until CPI. So I doubt I'll even trade London at all tomorrow, or maybe catch little moves. But I think it makes sense just to wait for CPI. I think CPI will give us some juicy moves tomorrow.
Yeah.
Juicy moves. Where are you right now? Right now I am in Brisbane, Australia. Yeah, I think CPI will be big. I'm going to take some juicy positions on CPI.
You can stay there legally, can't you?
I can stay. I've fully moved here. Like, yeah, I can stay here for as long as I want. I'm not on any visas or anything. It's fucking sweet.
Oh really? Oh yeah, you've got the passport.
Yeah, my New Zealand passport means I can literally live here, do whatever here.
That's sick.
I mean, it was hard to get a place with like no tax record or any like credit history here, but having no visa restraints definitely makes life easier.
Yeah.
I remember when I saw one of your vlogs in Turkey.
It's like that everywhere.
It is, yeah. I didn't realize how much of a mission it is to get set up properly in a new country.
Mm-hmm.
One of my vlogs in Turkey. Oh, nice, man. That's a probably a little old school one now. It's probably like, how was that Turkey one? That was one of my favorite ones. That's when I very first started doing it, and I kind of fell off a bit. When was that Turkey one? Turkey was maybe 2 years ago now. 2 years ago? Fuck, I'm old. Oh, no, 1 year ago. 1 year ago. Day in the life of Istanbul, Turkey. Yeah, that was good. That's nearly got 10k views. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's an old school one. You've been around for a while. If anyone wants to watch the Turkey one. Yeah, I'm going to do some more. Oh, look at that. Smashed. Damn. 46.
Beautiful.
No break of the support just yet.
Oh, if we can get like some shorts over here, that would be so nice.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a big play. Okay, now I've properly taken these highs.
Yeah.
630. Yeah, same. Because it didn't even take on the S&P either. So to come and take this double bottom is a easy target. Easy target. Oh, look at it. Oh, Lewis, you see what I'm seeing?
Hold on. I'm just marking out some points.
Boom.
What are you seeing? Yeah, no, I know. I just marked out the 5 minute.
I just shared that with you though. You only saw that from me.
No, but I was doing my thing before you showed me.
No, that's cap.
Remember, I said, wait a minute.
I'm going to call Cap.
Who's Cap? What's his name?
I'll call him. Don't make me do it. No, I wasn't in the long. No, I was going to take it, but then I ended up taking gold instead, which is just unfortunately typical. I decided to take the one that's an L. But the main reason I wasn't so focused on NASDAQ was because the volume was just shown not a lot. But then as soon as I take my eyes off it and go to gold, it booms, and it's just part of the trading game. You can't watch everything. But the setup here again was booming, beautiful. That's like I would have TP'd right here. Nice 1 to 4. Not bad. Not bad. Look, you see my little Asian play?
Yeah, it was quite nice.
Thank you. Quite nice, or the nicest trade you've ever seen.
Nicest trade I've seen all year.
Thank you. You got me.
You're right where I want it.
It's cool if you don't. Could you explain fibs in your way? Yeah, I'll give a quick brief overview whilst I wait for this 15-minute on fibs. Show you on FX instead. I prefer it on FX. I don't really use it for NASDAQ. It's just an added confidence. Like, it's nothing. It's no secret. No secret to fibs, really. I just use it as an added confidence to look for levels of where I think we could retrace to before going lower. I have a level in between the 61 and the 71 because the 61 used to work very, very well. But then retail started using fibs a lot. And now retails trade the 61 thinking it's like the golden fib, and they have their stop in between the 61 and 78, which is typically around here. So I like to enter off the 71 or the 78. Gold loves the 78 fib on all time frames. Gold loves them stop hunt levels. So you look for the stop hunt levels on fib. On the fib, like the 78 to 88. And yeah, it's just an added confidence. I just stack it up with other key levels. Like if I'm on the daily here, on my daily chart, say on the weekly, and I've just got, I don't know, say you've got a massive swing fib like this. I start to look at this. You've got 61 here lined up with the 1900. So I know this is probably a nice level where gold can come and retest some highs around here. Maybe come grab this high here. We've got 71 not far away from 1950. So it's just kind of an added confluence of where I can align fib levels with other technical analysis that I've got, whether it be trend line, support and resistance, whatever it may be. It's just that kind of like final icing on the cake. It's not the be all and end all. It's not something you should just trade on its own. It should be like the final thing that you put on to give you that extra confluence. But yeah, I mainly use fibs for my swing trades in FX. How do you get over a missed trade? Because that 50-point move on NAS, yeah, it was fucking beautiful. I don't like nothing really, man. I'm pretty proud that I called it well. Am I pissed off that I missed it? Not really, man. These plays come up every single day, and the volume here gave me no indication. Like, obviously, we can see it breaking out now, and be like, fuck, why didn't I take this? But prior to this breakout, all of London Open has not really been doing anything. And I know this wasn't like a trade that happens every once in the blue moon. These positions come up almost every single day. So I just keep my mind right and know that this is probably going to come up again tomorrow, or in the US session I'm going to trade today. But the fact of the matter is, I just called a amazing 1 to, I mean, if you were still holding a 1 to 5 on NASDAQ. So I called the markets well, and that's good enough for me. Obviously I would have liked to make money as well, of course, but sometimes you'll miss trades because you'll be watching something else, or sometimes you won't be able to execute as well, like this one on gold. On GJ. Called this beautifully as well, but wasn't able to execute it quick enough. But it's just part of the business, I'm afraid. Part of the fun. But if you're able to call the markets like this, and you can call a 1 to 5 move like this, then that's fucking amazing. You should be proud of that. And if you can do that on a consistent basis over a long period of time, you've cracked the matrix. You've cracked the game. So yeah, I'm happy. I know this position will come up maybe again today in the US, or it'll come up tomorrow for CPI, and I'll just do the exact same thing again. Exactly the same thing with gold, where we just took this small little loss here. I took the exact same play here, made a 1 to 3, took the exact same play here, and then lost a 0.5. And if it comes up again, I'll do it again. I call cap. Someone's calling cap. But yeah, I don't really care about missed trades, especially when, like, you look at the retrospective. Like, if it was a big swing trade I'd be waiting for and I missed it, yeah, I'd be a little bit pissed. But because it's an intraday play, it comes up all the time. But if I'm waiting for big swings and I miss a big swing, then yeah, that's going to be more annoying. But for an intraday trade where I'm catching, I don't know, 20 to 50 points or pips, it comes up literally multiple times a day. Multiple times a day. So it's always right around the corner. The next trade's always right around the corner. If you waste your energy being so emotional and pissed off that you missed it, then you're never going to be able to catch the next one. So I just stay very much neutral. As is 15-minute looking. 15-minute. 15-minute on GJ. Bad. Like, the overall play here on NASDAQ short. So this would have just been a nice little intraday hedge up before then taking this big short back down, which I think overall, NASDAQ's got the potential to come up here and then come all the way back down here with CPI tomorrow, which would be a massive, massive play. But yeah, obviously it's not the best feeling in the world missing a trade, but the way that it was called was beautiful. Look at that. Gold not breaking the lows, no trade. No break, no trade. Whatever. What's going on here then? Well, don't do that. It should all be the same. There we go. Like you look at gold high time frame, it's not doing anything. Like it's not actually really moved. Another reason why I don't worry about missing it. It's nothing. It's not actually really done anything. We're just only now we're actually breaking out this range. 15 minutes, throw a nice wicks. We're coming up and filling in that wick now. So I still think there's more opportunities today. But I'd say probably that's me definitely done now until US sesh. So pretty much now I'll close the charts. I'll go to the gym, have some dinner. And I'll come back on in like 3 hours time or so, 3-4 hours time, and do it all over again. And I won't watch it in between. In the meantime, like if you guys are in the London session, you're trading London and you want to trade US, don't sit here and just watch the markets until the US. Like, look, that's good. He's going in the waiting room for that. How do I go waiting room? But if you guys want to trade London, you want to trade US, don't trade from 7 a.m. London time to about 3 p.m. London time. Like it's just way too much. Like take your trades in London for the first 2 hours, have a break, get your mindset right, go to the gym, go for a walk, go eat some food, and then come back fresh for the US session to do it all over again. If you just want to trade London, then just trade London and have your set times of when you trade, and when it's out of your times, then just completely detox. Otherwise you'll be burnt out. Isn't that right, Lewis?
Yes.
And that's a wrap. First YouTube live of the year.
Can we swear now?
What?
Can we swear?
No, I'm still on the YouTube live. I just typed.
Alright, so it's a baguette.
What? Oh.
It's not a wrap, it's a baguette.
Oh, that was awful. That was poor. But yeah, YouTube fam, I'll let you guys go. This is kind of the overall analysis of what I'll be looking at for the US session. I'll be looking for shorts on gold to come down and grab these lows here, come and grab down some lows. Same as NASDAQ, come and grab this double bottom, which is also a double bottom on the S&P as well. GJ is looking nice for shorts, potentially into the US session. We may come up and grab this high back here, but GJ is just in the range. I'd wait for price to fully break these lows or fully break these highs. But other than that, remember guys, YouTube fam, we have CPI tomorrow, so be wary of that. And if you don't even want to trade at all today, just step off the charts. Don't even watch it. Don't burn yourself out. If you're having a difficult day in these quiet markets, accept that, acknowledge it. Come back tomorrow fresh, do it all over again, and then you'll be mentally prepared. But guys, I'll be doing YouTube live again on Friday, 7 a.m. London time again. So if you YouTube fan want to tune in, then I'll see you guys then. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Trade safe if you do trade at all, and trade safe with CPI tomorrow. And on Friday, we'll catch up and see how you guys have all gone. But I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys on Friday. Peace. What?